Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic of government institutes and departments dealing with food processing industries. There are some departments there are some departments which are engaged in a food processing industry. They are as follows. First one, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India. The Ministry of Food Processing Industry is also called as MOFPI, is a ministry of the Government of India responsible for formulation and administration of the rules and regulations and law relating to food processing industry. The ministry was set up in the year 1947 with a view to develop a strong and vibrant food processing industry to create increase employment in rural sector and enable farmer to reap the benefits of modern technology and to create the surplus for export and stimulating demand for processed product. The ministry is currently headed by Harsimat Kaur Badal, a chief minister. Second one, APEDA. APEDA means Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. The, the Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority is also called as APEDA was established by the Government of India under the Agriculture and Processed Food Product the Export Development Authority Act passed by the Parliament in December 1985. The Act 2nd of 1986 came into effect from 13th February 1986 by notification issued in the Gazette of India. The following link are shows that information which are related to the APEDA. Next institution, Marine Products Export Development Authority is also called as MPEDA. MPEDA was set up by an act of parliament during 1972. The Marine Product Export Promotion Council established by the Government of India in September 1961 was converged into MPEDA on 24th August 1972. MPEDA is given the mandate to promote the marine products industry with special reference to export from the country. It investigate these organization would take all actions to develop and augment the resource required for promoting the export of all varieties of fishery products known as commercial as shrimp, prawn, lobster, crab, fish, shellfish, other aquatic animal or plant or part thereof and any other product which the authority may by notification in the Gazette of India. The following link shows that the information related to MPEDA. Coffee Board. The Coffee Board of India is an autonomous body functioning under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. The board serves as friend, philosopher, and guide of the coffee industry in India. The Coffee Board set up under the Act of the Parliament of India in the year 1942. The board focuses on research development, extension, quality upgradation, market information, and domestic and external promotion of Indian coffee. Till 1995, the Coffee Board had a monopolistic control over the marketing of coffee in India. However, the wind of liberalization swept the Indian coffee industry, and since 1995, marketing of coffee is strictly a private sector activity. In fact, the Coffee Board went through massive downsizing, and two-thirds of its employees were retired under the voluntary retirement scheme. Next institution, Tea Board. Tea is one of the industry which by an act of parliament come under the control of union government. The genesis of the tea board India dated back to 1903 when the Indian Tea Case Bill was passed. The bill provided for laying a cess on tea export, the proceeds of which were to be used for the promotion of Indian tea both within and outside the India. The present tea board, set up under the Section 4 of the Act 1953, was constituted on 1st April 1954. The man, Mr. Arun Kumar Ray, he was IPS officer. The following link shows that the information related to tea board. Next institution, CEPCI, means the Cashew Export Promotion Council of India. The Cashew Export Promotion Council was established by the Government of India in the year 1955 with the active cooperation of cashew industry with the object of promoting the export of cashew kernels and cashew nut shell liquid from India. By its very setup, the Council provides the necessary institutional framework for performing the different functions that serves to intensify and promote the export of cashew kernels and cashew nut shell liquid. The Council provides the necessary liaison for bringing together foreign importers with the member of exporters of cashew kernels. The next institute is National Horticulture Board. The National Horticulture Board was set up by the Government of India in April 1984 on the basis of recommendation of the Group on Perishable Agriculture Commodity, headed by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. They member of the Planning Commission and Government of India. The NHB registered as a society under the Society Registration Act 1860 with its headquarters at Gurgaon. The NHB is provide the information related to the horticulture crop and the different schemes which are related to the horticulture. The next institute is Forum of Indian Food Imports. The Forum of Indian Food Imports, a non-government and not-for-profit entity that works primarily to enhance food and beverage business in India via its innumerable outreach endeavors. FIFI has proved in providing comprehensive knowledge of Indian food and beverages market, the food safety regulations, legal metrology requirement, the assistance with labeling requirement, basis the Indian regulations, backward integration, the cold chain logistic, business enhancement, market exploration, organized retail study, and online retail evaluations. Thank you friends for watching my video. Once again, thank you.